Hello again. Have you been stockpiling stirrers as well? Let's make some wooden steps. Here's what you'll need. Your stirrers, some nail art beads, 3 browns, 2 greys and a couple of greens. I've chosen this space on my recent terrain piece, which makes things a little awkward, but you can apply this process to any shape or size. I think a step of 1 stirrer will be perfect for goblins, and with a height of 7, I've taped 7 outwards carefully to the underside of my terrain. Let's mark out our area, and then also label the steps with direction and in number order. Due to the softness of the wood, I'm able to pretty much cut the shape with a decent pair of scissors, but I will of course file them down to neaten them up as well. Now lay them in place and fix your first step with glue. Lift your terrain straight away so it doesn't stick to your desk and pop the other steps out. Glue 1 support for the next step, 2 for the next, and so on. Now glue nail art beads in for our bolts. Whilst the glue is still wet, mop up that pooling. Build done, let's paint. Base in medium brown. 2 coats should do it. Now a healthy wash of dark brown. Now a dry brush of light brown. Hit those edges and stipple some colour variation. Add a few mossy patches of dark green. Paint the bolts medium grey and then hit them with that dark brown wash. Whilst that's drying, I'm going to add a touch of light green that I totally forgot to do earlier. Dot each bolt with light grey and we are done. Thank you for watching. I hope it was useful and I'll see you next time.